Hey everyone, won't be long now. The grass will be growing, the hedges will be growing, and we're going to need some power equipment to take care of it. This Friday, April 10th, we're having our Echo one-day sale. 15% off all Echo items. Here we have the DHCS-3400 battery-operated hedge trimmer with a 2.5 amp hour battery. Runtime is up to 60 minutes consistently. It comes with a rapid charger, max out technology for maximum output. But this Friday, 15% off. Come and get them.